Namaste. I'm Ezichiade. This is the Golden Circle Movement Channel. What is the lowest vibrational point, center, location in your home? Do you know? Let's talk about it. First of all, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Go ahead right now, give this video a like. Make sure you share it with your friends, your social network. Now, the lowest vibrational place in your home is the lavatory, the bathroom, the place where we refresh ourselves, clean ourselves, but also remove a lot of negative and dirt, and a lot of negativity and dirt right from our bodies. So there's a lot of negativity in that room, a lot of low vibrational energies. If you want to raise the vibration of a location quickly, clean the lavatory. Now, your version of cleaning doesn't have to necessarily be sterile, antiseptic. It may be more symbolic. You may just clean the mirror or clean the sink. But I tell you, if you clean the toilet, clean the floors, clean everything in there where dirt and negativity collects, you will find the location's vibration will have raised immensely. Type Hoshi if you want to learn about how to clean spiritually. Type Hoshi if you want to clean the lavatory and raise the vibration of your home. Type Hoshi if you want to learn more about it. Now, make sure you subscribe and ring the all notification bell so you know when new videos are uploaded. Like and share this video. It will help the channel. And if you want to reach me on social media, use the links in the description. If you want to join the Facebook group, use that link in the description. If you want to acquire quantum Orgonite, use that link in the description. If you want to donate, make sure you use the link. Thank you for your participation. Namaste.